Linh-chan and Dimi-chan craft art. Welcome back, Chan-chans.
Welcome back, Chan-chan.
So, this week we thought we'd go over all of the figures you made.
Yeah.
Not in order or anything. Just to kind of show all the figures that you haven't made videos of. And
yeah, pretty much my collection.
Yep. So, we have Goku and Krillin.
Goku and Krillin. These two were pretty much the first of the style that I established.
And Krillin started off with a neck on both sides.
Oh, yeah. And then Chiaotzu I made recently, like a month ago. So he's so cute.
And he has a removable hat.
He does have a removable hat.
With a surprise underneath.
That's his single hair.
Hey, he's very proud of it. That's why he combs it every day. And doesn't just shave it off.
So cute. Poor thing dies so many times too.
Seriously.
And
now
then
we have young Bulma.
Young Bulma. Look at her arms. They're massive.
She's ripped.
She is ripped.
And you did a very good job on her
hair.
On her hair, yeah. Very nice braid. And her bow.
The bow. I think I did a very good job on the bow.
That's Bulma. And then we have, I think this is also young Goku.
Young Goku, but I think a year or two into it, and then this was when he was training under the turtle shell.
And he's pretty tall.
Yeah. This one is pretty tall compared to the other figures. Yeah. And then I made a Krillin one too. I didn't really like the Goku version just now. I like the Krillin one better.
What about it did you not like?
I think because the white and the beige color don't really go together, and so it sort of looked weird. It looks
Clashes.
bizarre. Yeah.
And we have from Sword Art Online.
Yeah. Asuna.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know why you're gesturing to me right now, but
it's totally not because of my lack of memory.
Oh, you don't. Oh, I'm supposed to make you a list of all the names. My bad.
It's too late now.
This one's pretty cool. I liked it. It was like one of the first videos that I made.
Yeah.
And then this one is from the movie that came out recently.
This is a Yuna.
Yeah. She's cute.
She's very cute. Fancy dress.
Yeah. So then, yeah, in the progress video, I forgot to do the buns on her head. So this one has it now.
Oh yeah, in the original video, right?
Yeah, in the original video, I forgot to put one in. And then, Shinon.
And this is one of the first ones where you started using penmanship.
I did, yeah.
To help with the costume.
Yeah.
And it does make it look very professional.
And then this one recent too.
Well, not that recent.
It's recent enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kaori from Your Lie in April. So sad.
So cute though.
She is adorable.
And look at that violin.
She's been playing a little bit too much. It's all messed up. A little bit of lint.
Just the dust bunnies. They say hi to the figures every now and then.
Yeah. And then there's Link, one of the first as well. Same time, roughly around the same time as Goku and Krillin that I showed earlier.
The first ones.
Yeah. Since Dimitri really likes
The Legend of Zelda.
Yeah, Breath of the Wild. This one is for Breath of the Wild. During the time it came out, actually. And then I made a Zelda version too, but she's so much bigger than him. This was the early stage of me making 3D figures, so I still haven't really cared to make them look all the same yet. And yeah, you see she still has that hole in the middle of her face that I need to fill. This one I really like, but this one took me the most time to research and make.
To get all the details right?
Yeah. And I think starting from her that I think after Asuna and then going to her, after this one, I started going crazy with details.
And that was the first cape you made too, right?
Yeah, it was difficult. And then this one I
very
made
recent.
a couple weeks ago, yeah.
I love her little loop. And some of the commentaries in our videos like the loop too. Even though you hate doing the hair, we all like watching the hair. It's decided.
And then I made this one. I didn't do a video on it. I don't plan on doing a video on it, which is why I'm showing off some of these things. So I really like that part. Her armor, part of her armor. And her hair is pretty cool. She turned out really good, actually.
I think all the figures he makes turn out really good.
And then, so there goes the gang. I actually started making Kazuma. However, I didn't finish, and I forgot to bring in his headless body.
Close enough.
I made the body, but I didn't do the head.
Here's Shinichi and Migi.
Shinichi Migi from Parasite.
This was also very early figure.
Yeah, this one was pretty early on, too, when I was experimenting.
I was like, why didn't you record it? It looks so cool.
Well, for some stuff, I'd like to keep it a secret.
And Soma.
This one was very well received from a lot of people who saw the video. And also because it was at the time where Food Wars was a huge thing.
And his love interest.
Her love interest, at least. I don't know if he cares about romance.
We call her Bug Girl because she has mandibles.
Those tassel hairs, man. Those hair and the... Yeah.
I'm gesturing mandibles right now.
And the ramen bowl. So, yeah.
Very cute. Then we have Levi.
Levi. It's pronounced Levi, actually.
Levi.
But yeah, I really like the figure of when he cleaned, so I made one, but it didn't turn out as well as I liked it to be.
Here we have Mr. Dandelion Uzumaki.
I like his, well, the top of his hair, Dimitri said looks like a dandelion. I think it looks like a chrysanthemum flower. But
that's just a longer word.
It's just a longer thing, yeah. And that's the basket of those food pills that she makes for Naruto when he was training. Oh my god.
Even Sai withdrew.
Yeah.
Quickly. Looking at Naruto.
And then this is Sasuke.
With his weird head.
Yeah. His hair is so bizarre.
And his ropes. What's with the ropes?
I think I did very well with the ropes.
No, but in like the anime, what's with the ropes? We got some love.
I like this figure too.
He did a good job on his trench coat.
I think of the entire like anime series, his story is the saddest.
Oh.
And Jiraiya.
Jiraiya.
This one's a cool one. A lot of details. Jiraiya.
So I'll probably put links to the videos that you did make in the description below. So go check them out.
Yeah, some of these I have videos for.
Yeah, so I'll put all the names of all the characters because I don't remember them right now. And we'll have videos.
This one is Aruka or Nanika. You can call it whichever, depending on whatever she switches. And I've been meaning to, and it's from Hunter x Hunter, and I've been meaning to do her brother, but didn't have time.
Nope.
And then this one was, I think, our latest video. Pito and Kaito. During their vicious battle.
Oh, it was so vicious.
And this one was from Macross. It's Macross Delta. And it was like a robot singing, alien defeating thing.
Idol group. So
technically in this anime, they are an idol group and they sing. And they're being invaded by aliens and their singing calms the aliens down.
Enough for the good guys to kill them.
Yeah, so these are all the characters from there. And I made them specifically for the Super Dimension convention that we went to last year. But nobody ended up buying them.
No.
No one cared.
It's okay. You were making a minme at the convention and someone bought that one.
Yeah.
And got it signed by the voice actress, which is pretty darn cool.
Yeah.
Like the original voice actress, the Japanese one. For some reason, they came to this tiny convention.
No, I think it was an American version.
Oh, it was the American version?
Yeah. Dude, it's a small convention. It's a small convention. I think at most 300 people were there. You
got your figure signed by someone legit. That's what matters.
I did. Well, not to me anyway. The person that purchased it got it signed from the...
We don't have any more.
Yeah.
And that's the whole collection.
They're pretty cool. They're very colorful.
Yeah.
So I like them a lot. And their hair.
Their hair is intense.
Yeah. And you probably saw this one from the previous video that I sort of showed in a sneak peek too. But this one is Homura. I think the Dark Devil Homura.
And she has a friend.
And she has a friend who's Madoka, who is an angel. Pink. She is very pink and white. I don't think I did her very well, but it's okay. I was focusing more on making Homura look right. And I just added Madoka in just to make it.
So that's all the figures.
Yeah.
I hope everyone enjoyed. Follow Lynn on Instagram and Twitter.
Yep. And if you like our videos, check out our other videos.
Yeah, we got lots of them.
Leave comments, subscribes, and I don't know.
Love us.
Love us.
Bye, Chan-chans. I love you.
Funny.
You're funny.